what do you want me to give you? My darling, what is it that I told you?